In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the crop tool in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Whether you're a seasoned user or a newcomer, mastering the crop tool is a handy skill when you need to customize the viewable area of your PDF documents. Let's get started. Firstly, open a PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. It doesn't matter if it's a report, an ebook, or any other type of document, the process is the same. Once your file is open, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen where you'll find the Edit option. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up a menu with several tools at your disposal. Next, within this menu, you'll notice a section labeled Modify Page. Under this, you'll find the option to crop page. Click on this and you're ready to define the area of your PDF you'd like to focus on. Now, this is where the magic happens. On your document, click and drag to create a rectangle over the area you want to keep. Don't worry, this rectangle isn't set in stone yet. You can adjust it as needed. Make sure to fit the rectangle snugly over the content you wish to keep visible, leaving out any unnecessary margins or distractions. Once you're satisfied with the selected area, here's what you do next. Double-click inside the crop box you just created. This action brings up a dialog titled Set Page Boxes. It's a handy feature allowing you to further refine what portions of your document are included in the crop action. Now pay attention to the page range section within this dialog box. Here you want to select All. Choosing this option ensures that the cropping will apply uniformly across all pages in your document. This is particularly useful if you're dealing with a multi-page PDF and want a consistent look throughout. After making sure everything is set correctly, click on the OK button. This confirms your adjustments and applies the crop to your document. You'll notice the unwanted parts of the page have been removed, leaving you with a cleaner, more focused document. And there you have it. You've successfully used the crop tool in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC to tailor your PDF just the way you want it. Cropping is not only useful for aesthetic improvements, but also increases the readability and emphasis on the content that truly matters. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. With practice, using the crop tool will become second nature, making your work with PDFs smoother and more efficient. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about Adobe Acrobat, be sure to check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy cropping!